Can we say fire hazard, boys and girls? Fire hazard.
Looks like somebody thought that was a suggestion, and that didn't apply to them. What's up, everyone? Mr. Jeff the Custodian here. Well, we are in full swing of cleaning dorms this week. Had graduation last week here at the college. Now we've got to get the dorms clean, get ready for the music school that's coming here just in a few weeks. That's the hardest part about this job is doing dorms. I guess the most dreaded part about this job is doing dorms. So I'm just sharing some footage of some dorm cleaning.
Look out.
Hey, Clayton. I think you're missing some cleaning supplies.
Hey, take some notes from Cletus. It's not a good idea to tote your janitor's cart when you don't completely unload it up a set of stairs because this building has no elevator, but golly. Really bad. Really bad. Nasty. Thing about it is, when you get done with one room, you've got another one just like it to go to until it's done. This is gonna be fun. Gonna be fun.
Can we say fire hazard, boys and girls? Fire hazard.
Looks like your mama needs to come for a visit and just see what you're leaving behind. Oh my goodness. And can we say it for the people that was late for class just one more time? Fire hazard.